stuck in traffic or lost in chaos of confusing data during the meeting? These are two everyday challenges that can be overwhelming. But we got you two exciting courses that can change the way you think and approach these problems. To kick things off, there's this design thinking for global traffic solutions on Excelerate. During this course, you will share your ideas on how to solve daily traffic problems, reduce stress, and make your cities more livable. This is just not another course. This is an exciting opportunity for those who are looking around to solve the looming traffic problems worldwide. But wait, this is not all. We had more for you in our store. This is our Market Analyst Research Program. If you are one of those people who like to pick out trends, patterns, and ask a lot of those why questions, we got something for you. The Market Research Analyst Program is a major power skill to take you through the market research analyst and help you to design smart surveys in the market. In addition, you will also learn how to analyze your consumer and understand your competitors better. By the end of it, you'll walk away with a portfolio of professional grade work that's sure to impress your job recruiters or maybe come up with new job ideas. These two courses are sure about one people: solving the problems that matter. Whether you're looking to fix traffic or analyze people's buying behavior, you're equipping yourself to build things creatively. So what are you waiting for? Log on to 4accelerate.org and find any of these opportunities there.